Good morning guys, my name is Gaurish and today we'll be talking about some more 5 penny stocks that I'll be watching out today. So I'll also be telling you why I am thinking of buying this stock and day trading it for today. So first the name of the company is LightInTheBox holding company. What this company does is that it engages in the online retail sale and distribution of consumer products. So why I am selecting this stock today is because they have the financial results for second quarter 2020 which came in today morning. So they have increased the total revenues by over 100% year over year to 113 million for this year second quarter from 58.1 million in the same quarter of 2019. So I think this is a strong company to buy even if it is a penny stock. If you can see the performance for 5 day, 1 month, 3 month, year to date and 1 year, it has already almost doubled. So I think this is a good stock to buy. And if you are like me and if you are thinking of buying the penny stocks at this moment and selling it today itself and booking the profits, I think that this is the good company for day pattern trading, because once you find the bull pattern, then you can just decide whether when to enter and when to exit. So the next company that I'll be talking about is Tlgt. The name of the company is Teligent. So what this company does is that it is engaged in development manufacturing market of topical and branded generic and injectable pharmaceutical products. So the present market price is 2.65 pre-market. Why I selected this company? Because the same thing, the second quarter results came out today morning at 7:34 a.m. and the EPS, it has beat the revenue by $0.16, so EPS by $0.16. So I think this stock will be in this stock can show us a bull pattern today, and we can enter and exit the stock at appropriate moment and book some profits. So lots of people will be looking at these stocks because of the news that are coming in for all the stocks. I also play on the news for this period. So just have a look at the like you can see here, like it shooted up to 3.65 from 2.27. So I think if you find a good bull pattern, then you can just enter and exit it. And it depends on you. These are the news that I'm telling you, and these are the hot stocks to watch. I'll every day morning I'll be sending you this list of 4 to 5 stocks or 3 to 4 stocks, and then you have to play on it. So the next stock that I'll be talking about is PDR. I don't have any news for this stock, but this stock has a huge volume today, which is 522.2 thousand. So lots of people are buying this stocks because this was some days before this stock was like trading around 0.56 to $0.77, and it boosted up to $0.76, and then today it came up to 1.57. So this is lots of people are watching the stocks today. And also the public floating shares is 3.48 million, so this is quite low. So I think if lots of people buy more of this stock, then it'll be boosting up. Okay, so just have a look at this stock and just keep a watch on it. The next stock that I'll be talking about is Hudson Limited, and the name of the company is the ticker symbol of the company is HUD. What this company does is that it engages in the travel retail operations. So why I selected this stock for today was that there was a news that came in the today morning. So it agreed to buy out by shareholder agrees to buy out by shareholder Dufry. So they are buying out one another company named as Dufry AG. So I think this is also another stock to watch for today. Presently it is trading at $7.59, and remember guys, you just have to look for 20 to 30%. of increase, and then just exit the stock as soon as possible. Alright, so that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and in the morning I'll always be sending you this penny stocks. So just watch out for the stocks, and hope you like the video. Oh, I forgot about the bull pattern. I forgot about the bull pattern. So now let's have a look at the bull pattern, bull flag pattern that we have to watch. So remember guys, whenever the stock rises, it has to fall. It has to fall by some amount. Okay, so what day traders are looking for is this candle, the green candle. So when there's a green candle which goes above the red candle, there are lots of people coming into the stocks. They invest a lot of money into this stock, and this stock goes up because of the news. These are hot stocks, and this is the pattern to which you are looking for, which you are looking for. So just try to find this pattern and enter in this candle, and once it breaks out, just book the profits as soon as possible. That's it for this videos guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll always, and every morning I'll be sending you 3 to 4 stocks to watch, or 4 to 5 stocks maybe to watch according to the news that I think will boost today. So just keep watching. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.